Today we are making this amazing Zobo drink, and here is everything that you're going to need for this: organic honey, lemon, ginger, hibiscus, and pineapple. You can also add cloves, lemongrass, or you can even add cinnamon sticks. Start by cleaning your hibiscus leaves like shown on the video. Just put it in cold water, shake to get rid of any soil or any debris, and then you're going to add that to a cooking pot like you see here. Next, you are going to prepare the pineapple. As for the pineapple, be sure to clean it very well before cutting it like shown here and peeling it. As for the pineapple leaves, you're going to add them to the cooking pot to boil together with the hibiscus leaves, and into that mixture is where you can add your cloves or cinnamon sticks. And then next, you're just going to cut the pineapple, set it aside, and blend it separately like you see here. And I saw this recipe somewhere and decided to give it a try. I had very high hopes, and guys, I was not disappointed. As for the ginger, just peel it, and then you're going to add the ginger into the pot. Cut the pineapple into small pieces, and then you're going to blend that. Now here the mixture had been boiling for 15 minutes, so I let it sit on the stove top after turning off the heat, and then let it sit for 5 minutes just to cool off, but not completely, because I wanted to take the drink warm. I blended the pineapple separately like you see here, and here is the mixture that I got after boiling the hibiscus, the pineapple, and the ginger. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into the mixture like you see here, and this is the right time to add the honey as well. You can also add sugar to sweeten, but I decided to use honey. I'm sure you can. If you do not have honey at hand, please use sugar. And after that, just go ahead and combine these two juices that are looking so good at this point, and then you're just going to mix them together. Be sure to taste, and just to add any sweetener if it is not to your liking. Mix it, and while it's still warm, you can serve it and drink it when it's cold. If it's warm, please serve this over ice, and you're going to love it. I absolutely loved this juice.